In this video, we will discuss the cost-time trade-off. In this example, you can see the curve of the cost-time trade-off. Here, at point A, the project at point A is supposed to be finished after 30 weeks. That's the starting point of the curve. Here, the project manager is asked to reduce the time of the project. So he will make what is called crashing. How he will crash, or how he will reduce the time of the project. The first thing that the project manager does is he started to analyze what different activities in the project that he can invest in them some more money in order to reduce the time of the cost. But remember that at point A, the project is supposed to finish in 30 weeks, and the total cost is $60,000. So the project manager, in order to crash, or in order to reduce the time of the project, he was searching for the cheapest activity, the cheapest project activity that he can invest in more money or more resources in order to reduce the total time of the project. So at point B, as you can see, at point B, here the project manager was able to reduce the time of the project by 10 weeks. You see here 20 weeks instead of 30 weeks. But he must invest additional cost, which is $20,000. So the project manager find the cheapest way to reduce 10 weeks from the total project duration. If you can see, the next step was to reduce more time from the project. At point C, you can find that the cost of the project was reduced another 5 weeks from point B, and the total cost increased in a very exponential way. From point B, you can find the subtraction is about $70,000. So the project can be reduced from point B to point C, which point C is the maximum trade-off point. That is the maximum cost that can be paid in the least time duration of the project. The project cannot be delivered or finished in less than 15 weeks. So if you invest more than the point C, you will not get a time less in the project, the whole project time. The time of the project has a limit, which is in time, and it is 15 weeks. And this limit is called the crash limit. The crash limit. That the project manager cannot reduce the time of the project more than the crash limit, which is 15 weeks in this example. I hope you enjoyed the cost time trade-off curve, and see you in the next video.